Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello, and welcome to our new English series about parenting. Having a new baby is wonderful, but it is also very tiring. In this first lesson, my husband and I are in the nursery. It is the middle of the night, and the baby has just started crying. Listen to how we decide who will take the night shift to comfort the baby.
Oh, do you hear that sound? I think the baby is waking up again.
Yes, I hear him. It sounds like he is hungry, or maybe he just needs a diaper change.
What time is it right now? I feel like I just fell asleep 5 minutes ago.
It is 3 in the morning. You have been asleep for about 2 hours.
Only 2 hours? Wow. Being a new parent is exhausting. Do you want me to get up this time?
You did the last shift at midnight. Are you sure you have enough energy?
I am tired, but you look even more tired than I do. You should stay in bed.
That is very sweet of you. If you go now, I can probably sleep for another hour.
That is the plan. I will check his diaper first. If he is hungry, I will bring him to you.
Okay, that works. There's a clean bottle on the counter if you want to try feeding him yourself.
Oh, perfect. If I use the bottle, you can sleep through the whole feeding. Does that sound good?
That sounds like a dream. Are you sure you can handle it alone?
Absolutely. I'm becoming an expert at this. You just close your eyes and relax.
Thank you. You're a great dad. Do not forget to burp him after he eats.
I won't forget. I'll pat his back gently until he burps. Good night, or rather, good morning.
Good luck in there. Come back quietly when he's asleep.
I will be as quiet as a mouse. Go back to sleep now.
Did you catch the phrase night shift? We use this to talk about who stays awake with the baby. We also use the phrase as quiet as a mouse, which is a common idiom meaning very silent. In the next video, we will deal with a messy situation, changing a diaper. See you soon. Welcome back. We are now at the changing table. Changing a diaper is a daily task for parents, and sometimes it can be a little complicated. My husband is trying to change the baby, but he has run into a small problem. Let's listen to how he asks for help.
Honey, can you come here for a second? I have a situation.
I am right here. What is wrong? Is the baby okay?
The baby is fine, but this diaper is very messy. I think I put it on backwards last time.
Let me see. Oh, I see what you did. The tabs are on the back instead of the front.
Exactly. And now I cannot reach the wipes. Can you hand me the package of wipes?
Here you go. Do you need the diaper cream as well?
Yes, please. His skin looks a little red, so we should use the cream to protect it.
You are doing a good job. Just remember to lift his legs gently when you slide the new diaper under.
Like this? I always worry that I'm holding him too tightly.
No, that is perfect. You're being very gentle. Now fasten the tabs on the sides.
Okay, tab 1 is secure. Tab 2 is secure. Does it look tight enough to you?
Check the waist. If you can fit 2 fingers inside the waistband, it is perfect.
Let me check. Yes, 2 fingers fit easily. I think we're done.
See? You handled that like a pro. We just need to wash our hands now.
Definitely. I'll take the dirty diaper to the trash bin. Thanks for the assist.
No problem. Teamwork makes it easier. I'll get his fresh pajamas ready.
Great. Once he's dressed, I think he'll be ready to go back to sleep.
Great job following that conversation. You heard words like wipes, tabs, and diaper cream. These are essential vocabulary words for new parents. Next, we need to talk about feeding the baby. How do we mix formula? Find out in the next lesson. Welcome back to the kitchen. The baby is hungry again, and it is time to prepare a bottle. Measuring the water and formula correctly is very important. Watch as we discuss the instructions and get everything ready for feeding time.
I am reading the instructions on this can of formula. It says 1 scoop for every 2 ounces of water.
That is correct. How much water did you put in the bottle so far?
I poured in 4 ounces of warm water, so I need 2 scoops of powder, right?
Yes, exactly. Make sure the scoop is level. Do not heap the powder.
Ah, I see. I will use the flat edge of a knife to level it off. There, 1 perfect scoop.
Perfect. Now add the second one. Is the water too hot?
I don't think so. I tested it on my wrist earlier. It felt lukewarm, not hot.
That is the best way to test it. If it burns your wrist, it is too hot for the baby.
Okay, the powder is in. Now I need to shake it to mix it up.
Make sure the lid is on very tight before you shake it. We do not want a mess.
It is tight. I'm shaking it now. Do you see any clumps of powder left?
No, it looks smooth. The milk is ready. Are you going to feed him here or in the living room?
I will go to the living room. The chair there is more comfortable for holding him.
Good idea. Grab a burp cloth too. He often spits up a little bit after eating.
Got it. Bottle in one hand, cloth in the other. I'm ready to go.
I will start cleaning up the kitchen while you feed him. Call me if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks for helping me measure everything correctly.
In this conversation, we used specific kitchen words like scoop, ounce, lukewarm, and level. These are very useful when following recipes or instructions. Next up, we have a visitor coming. Grandma is on her way. Let's prepare for a guest. Hello again. We are rushing a little bit now because my mother, the baby's grandmother, is coming to visit in 20 minutes. When visitors come to see a new baby, there are often rules about washing hands and holding the baby. Listen to our plan.
Your mother just texted. She said she is parking the car now. We need to hurry.
Okay, don't panic. The house looks mostly clean. Did you put the dirty laundry away?
Yes, I hid the laundry basket in the closet. What about the hand sanitizer?
Good point. Please put the sanitizer bottle on the coffee table. We want everyone to use it.
I will put it right here. Should I ask her to wash her hands at the sink too?
Yes, gently remind her. We want to keep the baby healthy. She won't mind.
Okay. Also, she mentioned she is bringing a lasagna for dinner. That is nice of her.
That is wonderful. I am too tired to cook tonight. Did she say how long she is staying?
She said she can only stay for an hour. She knows we need our rest.
That is the perfect amount of time. The baby is awake and happy right now.
Should I make some coffee for her? Or maybe some tea?
Put the kettle on for tea. She loves chamomile tea in the afternoon.
On it. I hear the doorbell. That must be her.
Okay, take a deep breath. You answer the door and I'll get the baby.
Sounds like a plan. Here comes Grandma.
Setting boundaries with visitors is important. We talked about hand sanitizer and asking someone to wash their hands. These are polite but necessary requests when you have a newborn. In our final video, we are going to brave the outdoors and take the baby to the park. Welcome to our final lesson. We have survived the night shift, changed diapers, fed the baby, and hosted Grandma. Now we want to go for a short walk in the park. Leaving the house with the baby requires a lot of preparation. Let's see what we need to pack.
I have the diaper bag here. It feels very heavy. What is inside this thing?
Everything we need. Did you check if there are extra diapers in there?
Let me look. Yes, there are 3 diapers and a full pack of wipes.
Good. We also need a change of clothes for him just in case he has an accident.
I see a spare onesie and a pair of socks. Is that enough?
That should be fine. Did you pack a blanket? It might be breezy outside.
I did not pack a blanket. Let me run and grab the blue one from the sofa.
Okay, hurry back. I will strap the baby into the stroller while you get it.
I am back. I have the blanket. How does the stroller look?
The stroller is ready. The wheels are unlocked and the brake is off. He is buckled in safely.
Do we need to bring a bottle? We will only be gone for 30 minutes.
Better safe than sorry. Let's bring one prepared bottle in the insulated pocket.
Good thinking. The insulated pocket will keep it warm. Are you ready to go?
I think so. I have my keys and my phone. Let's get some fresh air.
After being inside all day, fresh air sounds amazing. Open the door.
Congratulations! You have completed this series on parenting. Today, we learned about packing a diaper bag, checking the stroller, and being prepared. Remember, learning English is like raising a baby. It takes patience and practice every day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.